Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a bar cluster chart in VBA Excel. And if you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. So let's get started with our video and let's see. So today in this video we are going to see how to create a bar cluster chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart in VBA Excel, this is the sample data which I have created in Excel, and from this sample data we are going to create a bar cluster chart in VBA Excel. And this is the macro button in which I have assigned the sub procedure to create the bar cluster chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding behind the code, as well as the explanation of the code to create a bar cluster chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our bar clustered bar chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our output is gonna look after writing few lines of code in VBA. So let's jump into our VBA editor and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a clustered bar chart in VBA Excel. So let's see what all codes has to be written and what the particular line of code will do. So first we are going to select a single cell inside our data, inside our worksheet, by writing range c4 dot select. After that what we are going to do is we are going to write in the next line, which is active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters to create this chart first. So the first parameter to create this chart is always a chart value. So as you can see for our video, our chart value is 2. Once you have given this, we are going to give our type of chart which we are trying to create by using VBA Excel. So to create a bar cluster chart, the type of chart or the VBA type will be Excel bar cluster. After that what we are going to do is we are going to give the left, width, top and height parameters to position and size our chart while creating. After that we are going to close the brackets, and then what we are going to do is we are going to select our chart. So this line of code will help you to create a Excel bar cluster chart and select it. But remember, once the chart is created, there will be not a particular chart title or data labels or data table. So to do some actions and set some elements inside our chart, we are going to use a with statement over here. So after writing this line of code, what we are going to do is we are going to type with active chart. Below that what we are going to do is we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and then we are going to give our chart title over here. You can change it as per your convenience, but as of this video I have kept the chart title as clustered bar chart in VBA Excel. After that what we are going to do is we are going to set some elements. So the first element in the next line what we are going to set is it's dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. This line of code will help us to show the data labels on each of our bar chart over here. So as you can see that each and every clustered bar has its own data labeled inside it. So this will show the data labels inside our chart. Once the data labels are shown, we are going to create the data table inside our chart. So to create the data table inside our chart, what we are going to do is we are going to type in the next line is dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this line of code, your data table will be created. And this data table will be created with the legend keys over here. As you can see, our legend keys are here, and these are also representing inside our data table. Once you have written this line of code, your data table with legend keys will be created. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart to look more better. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this line of code, your grid lines will be removed from your chart which you are preparing. After that, as you can see, we have already shown the data on each and every bar over here. So we are going to delete the value axis to make our chart look more better. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot axis, and inside the brackets we are going to give Excel value, and the outside the brackets we are going to give dot delete. So this will delete our Excel value axis from our chart. Once you have written this line of code, in the next line what we are going to do is we are going to type end with. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a clustered bar chart in VBA Excel. But wait, as you can see that we have selected our chart while creating it initially over here. So to deselect our chart, what we are going to do is we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet, which is range F4 dot select in this video. So I have selected my empty cell to deselect my chart. So once again, congratulations, you have learned how to create a clustered bar chart in VBA Excel. But if you have any doubts or suggestions, then please do comment in the comment box and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Till then, have a great day from VBA Coder. Bye.